Are you posting more on social media? Maybe you are posting more content. Maybe you're completely confused with what to post and you're not getting the sales that you wanted from social media. Let's be honest, it is not your fault. It is the outdated and the systems that you have been taught that are broken, and they just don't work in this 3-second TikTok style world that we live in. Most business owners have been taught to put their homepage as their link in bio, and that's great for SEO if you are super clued in on how to use Google, but honestly, it's terrible for converting traffic from social media. Let me explain. Your link in bio only gets clicked on by, honestly, your loyalist raving fans. The large majority of people are on social media and they're scrolling, and it's only somewhere in the vicinity of like 1 to 3% of people who are your followers will ever click your link in bio. This means that you have to either find another way to sell that is more strategic, that also grows your engagement and your visibility, or you have to be getting a ton more traffic to your website in order to have any chance to convert. So let's talk about this for a second. If your link in bio is only getting 1 to 3%, we need to have strategic systems that work with what Instagram and all the social media platforms want us. We also want to have automation behind us that can help us to grow our engagement, that can get us leads in our inbox every day, but that also allows us to be growing our visibility. And of course, we want to be able to get people to website styles that actually convert. Now, if you're on social media and you're just posting and ghosting, the truth is there are a lot of people on social media. In fact, more people get on every single day. There is more content than ever, and you have to be super good at content if you want to get visibility. But there is a way around that, and that is one of the things that we're going to talk about in the social sales workshop. How do we get our content seen, and how do we get it seen by the right person? Because there have been people that I've known who have gone viral. I've gone viral myself, and here's the problem. It's like going out on the street and just grabbing a whole bunch of people and putting them on your list, but they're not actually interested in what you're talking about. Or the worst case scenario is you get a ton of random bots or fake accounts, and now when Instagram and all the social media platforms test your content, it doesn't get any visibility because those people don't engage, right? And what happens here is we end up having inconsistent or no sales. We end up burning out trying to figure out what content to post on social media, and all of this leads to self-doubt. Now, having a strategic social media sales system solves this because it allows you to be able to capture leads immediately, not waiting for them to click or anything, that your link gets into their inbox straight away. It allows you to create income streams because now you have qualified leads that are interested in pulling out their credit card to solve the problem. It allows you to warm them up and show your expertise and give them solutions to their problems, which builds your authority so that they'll keep buying from you. This is how we create loyal raving fans. And also, the highest converting sites online are not the prettiest homepages right now. They are simple funnels and strategic sales systems that are designed to turn your views on social media, no matter how low, into clients. So we have to find a way to not only grow our views, not necessarily our followers, because here's the amazing thing. People can check out your products and buy your products even if they never follow you. Some of my biggest clients have been people who I've never seen like or engage on my post, but because others did, that post got into their newsfeed, or because I had a strategic system that allowed me to be engaging with them even though they weren't my followers. And as a result, they bought it, and those kind of clients usually spend more money with you over a greater period of time. This is what the social sales workshop is all about. We are designing a strategic, simple to implement strategy that you can use every day on repeat on social media to get daily leads in your inbox, to be able to convert views to clients, not just followers, to be able to make more money for the time invested on social media, because if you're not making money from social media, it becomes super easy to quit, right? The thing that I have found is that my biggest months actually come as a result of simple automation and not big complicated systems that take you years to set up. And here's the amazing thing. When I stopped putting my homepage as my link in bio and I use the systems that have been designed that are converting the highest at the moment, that are growing traffic to our offers, that are growing leads in our inbox every single day, that are helping us to make sales when we're not on social media, my conversions went up. And if you're using it with a content strategy that allows your views to go up at the same time, views not just to anyone, but to strategic dream clients or people who have a list of them, now you have a powerful conversion system that allows you to make social media sales when you're not on social media. And this is exactly why I created the social sales workshop and the peaceful profit system. It is to show service-based small business owners like you, coaches, consultants, podcasters, all of those kinds of things, how to build simple to implement sales systems that are automated, that help you to get leads and sales on autopilot so that you can actually spend less time on social media and make the time that you do spend on social media the most strategic possible. In just 90 minutes of working live with me, you are going to not only learn the system that I use that gives me my highest income months, but we're going to map it out for you. You're going to get a template that you can work through so that you understand the different avenues of this so that you can have your biggest months without super expensive ads, without having to post multiple times a day if you don't want to. So click on the link below. I'm super excited to work with you live. And until we are live, I am super excited for you to jump in to the Peaceful Profit System and get to work. This has made so much difference in my own business and those businesses of the clients that I have worked with to create these systems. Because once you have the system, you can keep using it on repeat and you can duplicate it and make the same system for different offers so that you can constantly be growing your email list as well as growing your income. I'm excited and I'll see you on the inside.